Hello, bird.
Oh, Jesse just walked in.
Jesse.
Hi, Jesse.
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 Jesse,
Can you say hello?
Jesse. Can you talk? Oh.
Can you talk?
Can you talk, Jesse? He's like I'm in face. Oh my goodness, you.
Can you talk?
Hello.
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 That was so cute. Hello. Hello.
How are you today, Jesse?
How are you?
He just said he's good.
What? Why does he always do that? Like,
I'm good too, Jesse.
How are you today?
hello. Hello. You're beautiful.
Are you good today?
He just nodded. You're so pretty.
Are you a good bird?
How are you today?
Are you a good bird, Jesse? Jesse, are you a good bird?
Are you good?
I think he said we were cracker. Are you a good birdie?
How are you today?
Are you okay? Are you good? Are you good? Oh.
How are you today, Jesse?
Jesse, happy?
Are you happy?
Are you happy, Jesse? What are you reading?
Hello.
Jesse?
Can you say hello? Hello.
How are
Hello,
you?
Nico.
Nico said hello.
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 And they said that he doesn't talk.